Hi, magandang araw po. This is Kim. I'm one of the HR specialist of Worksol Group in UAE branch. Unfortunately, yung pong ating TikTok na Kim Worksol ay naban couple of days ago. And until now, hindi po namin alam yung reason. So the management is still trying to retrieve the account back. However, may mga applicants po tayo na they're very curious bakit po kung ano po nangyari. And to tell you honestly, kahit po kami, hindi po namin alam kung bakit po nangyari yon, and we're still trying to find out. But for now, I've decided na gumawa po nitong TikTok na to. This is personal. I've decided to create this kasi madami po tayong applicants and they are wondering ano po nangyari sa atin. To clarify po, I am still part of Worksol. We are still in operation and business is going as usual. Ang nangyari lang po is nawala po yung TikTok account. We are doing our best para po ma-retrieve yung account. And sa lahat po ng mga nagtatanong, sa lahat ng mga nag-message sa akin doon, huwag po kayo mag-alala. You can send me a message here. I also have my Facebook account. Kapag po kayo ay interesado, pwede nyo din po akong i-add sa Facebook and then doon po tayo mag-usap. Ayan, I hope nakatulong po and pasensya na po doon sa mga nag-message na hindi ko na po na-replyan dahil hindi ko na po, as of the moment, hindi ko pa po ma-access yung aking TikTok. Yun lang po. I hope that you guys have a great day and maraming salamat po.